Do you want to know how you can log into your Kaliber AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Kaliber AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Kaliber AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Kaliber AI. You can see that there is a login button on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click login and it will take you to the official login portal of Kaliber AI. You can log in using your email address, or you can just skip it and sign in using your Google or Apple account. So, if you want to sign in using your email address, go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. Then, write down the password associated with your Kaliber AI account and then click login. This way you can log into your Kaliber AI account. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. And if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click sign up, which is over here. If you just want to skip all of this and sign in using Google, click sign in with Google and then it will lead you to this page where you can select your Google account, click continue, and then you can sign into your Kaliber AI account using your Google account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Kaliber AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.